Right, it's time to play the dish. Yeah, looks great. Awesome, isn't it? Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Cook Like a Japanese channel. I'm Rio. Today we're making mackerel in tomato sauce. You know, both mackerel and tomato sauce are super popular ingredients here in Japan, and to make it is super easy. So why don't you give it a try at your home? Alright, let's get started! Well, the main ingredients for mackerel in tomato sauce are only 5. The first one is of course mackerel fillet. Before you cook, just sprinkle a bit of salt and pepper on it and put a grated clove of garlic to season. To simmer the fillet, you need finely chopped half onion, half can of tomato sauce, and about 1.5 cup of water, plus a bit of chicken soup stock powder. I believe there are 3 steps to make the dish. Step number 1 is preparation. First, you should wipe the mackerel fillet with paper towel or something to remove the excess water and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Put some salt and pepper on it and grate a clove of garlic to put it onto the fillet. Plus, just finely chop the onion. Step number 2 is to pan-fry the cut onion. In a small saucepan or frying pan, put some cooking oil when it's heated and start heating the onion. When the onion gets translucent, then add in your mackerel fillet in the pan. Put them skin side down, and when they go nice and brown, just add in the tomato sauce. Also add a bit of chicken soup stock powder, 1.5 cup of water, and keep shimmering it for about 10 minutes with low heat. Step number 3 is to finish up. After you shimmer it for about 10 minutes, just add in salt and pepper, and it is quite optional, but if you got vinegar, add in 1 tablespoon of it. And that's it. Sounds super easy, doesn't it? Alright, why don't we go on to step number 1? Alright, the first thing you do in step number 1 is to finely cut the onion. First, you remove the both ends and peel the skin. Well, I gave a nice rinse to it, so why don't we cut it into small pieces. Well, I believe it's chopped nicely, so why don't you set aside? Well, the next thing you prepare is the mackerel fillet. First thing you do is to wipe the fillet with paper towel or something to remove the excess water. Right, it's bloody. Okay. I guess it's great. Alright, and cut it into bite-sized pieces like this. Okay, when it's cut, sprinkle some salt and pepper on it. Both sides. Then grate the clove of garlic on it. Give it a nice rinse to it. Okay, grate it onto it. Okay. Right, I believe mackerel fillet is ready. So why don't we go on to step number 2? Right, why don't we go on to step number 2? Step number 2 is to shimmer the ingredients. Frying pan is heated, so I add in some cooking oil, vegetable oil, and add in the finely chopped onion. And heat it with medium, low to low heat. And just be patient before it goes translucent. Wait for a while. I believe now the onion is nice and translucent, so it's time to add in the mackerel fillet in the frying pan. Skin side down like this. Wait for a while before they go nice and brown. Well, 2 minutes has passed after I started heating the mackerel fillet. So why don't we flip it over? Yeah, it's nice and brown. So keep eating it for about 1 more minute or something like that. Right, another 1 minute has passed, so why don't we check the mackerel fillet? Yeah, I believe it's nicely cooked. So why don't we add in the tomato sauce, water, plus chicken soup stock powder. Right, tomato sauce. Okay, I use the half can this time. Right, about a half. Yeah, I believe it's half. Then doing some chicken soup stock powder. Yes, it's enough. And 1.5 cup of water in it. Okay, wait and see. Right now the sauce was brought to be boiled, so why don't we set 10-minute timer and keep shimmering it for about 10 minutes to low heat. Well, now 10 minutes has passed, but this is still too soupy, so why don't we keep heating it for about another 3-4 minutes. Well, another 3 minutes has passed. Well, now the dish is done, I guess, so why don't we plate it? Just adding extra salt and pepper, plus I haven't had the vinegar, so 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And this is not optional stuff, but I had parsley, so why don't we sprinkle some parsley on it? Yeah, that's it. Looks great. So why don't we plate it? Right, it's time to plate the dish. Yeah, looks great. Awesome, isn't it? Ta-da! Well, now the mackerel in tomato sauce is ready. Here you go. Alright, now you know to make. Mackerel in tomato sauce is much easier than you think. So why don't you give it a try at your home? Alright, if you like this video, click thumbs up button, leave some message down below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take good care. Arigato. Bye.